In a fun little side note, whatever you want to call it, the 2022 Motorcyclist of the Year award goes to the MX of Nations team, consisting of Justin Cooper, Eli Tomac, and Chase Sexton. Obviously, they won the 2022 MX of Nations this year, last September, whenever it ended. And a quote from Russ Enns, EHNES, I'm assuming that's Enns, I'm going to go with that. The AMA Board of Directors Chairman, that's his title. Quote, Eli Tomac, Chase Sexton, and Justin Cooper accomplished something extraordinary at the end at Redbud this year. Bringing home the Chamberlain Trophy back to American soil after 11 years was a feat worthy of recognition, which is why we selected the team as the 2022 AMA Motorcyclist of the Year. We're proud of these riders, stellar example of American greatness, and we're proud to have them as AMA members. It's kind of funny that, the Motorcyclist of the Year goes to a whole team, but you have to say, winning after 11 years, winning on home soil, the way they did it, just it's pretty cool to me. It's a neat little thing for them. Probably kind of sucks to get the award Motorcyclist of the Year and then having to share it with two other people. You're probably kind of not steamed about that, but kind of like, I wish it was just mine, but it's still recognition for something that you've done. I think it's kind of cool. And again, it was a great race. I love the MX Nation. I think it's one of the coolest races there is because you never know. Rain, dirt, country, who the riders are going to be, throwaway points, wins. It's a whole thing. It's never just a cut and dry, these three people are the best, so they're going to win, because you never know what the conditions are going to be like, and you never know if somebody's going to get taken out by mistake or whatever you want to say. So congrats to those three. Congrats to the American team in general, the mechanics and everybody else involved with it. I thought it was kind of cool. I don't know if anybody would see it. So if you did like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. It all helps me, especially playing the YouTube algorithm game, and I appreciate it a lot. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.